I just came up with a theory. Maybe you stop writing because you know you're gonna get tired, and I guess the brain outlines the limit, sees the threshold, and it echoes back to the consciousness and tells you that's good enough. Fucking, like, what do you call it? Calculates the moderately does the calculus, and this is what I came up with right now. I don't know if it's all there. I just wanted to get. That's why I rewrite it sometimes. I just write down like as a bookmark, and then when I got all the elements, like when I remember them all, I just write a bigger formula. That's what I got right now. I have to crop it and then resize the video so it fits in wherever I post it, whatever social media I can upload it to. And it's nuts what the tools and all the banners and all these pop-ups come out. It's insane. You can't post it. It's got to be a monopoly going, some kind of racketeering, man. It's got, well, somebody has to start getting rid of those because pop-ups were banned back in like 2001 or 99. I don't remember. Back when Microsoft came up with Windows XP, I think there was like tons of pop-ups, and they were declared a virus by I forget, was it the FCC or something like that? I forgot, NSA or something like that. I forgot. It came out like 2001, 2002, somewhere around there. Yeah, it was after 99, I think, because 99, when it was like 99, I was still using like what was it, Windows 98, 98 Pro or something like that. But it was all fixed up. It was pretty fast. Now they got like graphics and stuff, which is like supposedly why everything's slow. I doubt it because I had like an Nvidia card on. Was it an Nvidia GeForce? It wasn't like the fastest card, but it was a like $300 or $400 or $500 card. I forgot which one I got. I got the GTX 650 something, and I guess it was like fast at the time, and I was running Windows 7, Windows 7 Ultimate with 6 GB of DDR3 RAM, or 8 GB. It might have been 8 GB of DDR3, and had a, was it a Phenom 2 running at 32 or no 34 gigahertz, no 3.4 gigahertz or 3.6, something like that. It was pretty fast. And these phones were fast as hell. I don't know why they came up with so many. They got the same viruses that they had back in the 98 days. What I'm trying to point out, they're so old, these viruses. And I rarely got viruses. Well, I knew how to. I did my own installs. I formatted, had my own CDs. I bought my own hardwares. I built my own PCs from the case to the inside to. I started on like gateway PCs and whatever PCs I could afford. But then I started building my own aluminum cases, gaming acrylic window, heatsink, and LEDs and all that. It was pretty cool. Those were the days, man. Now I don't use computers right now. I only have a laptop I can like travel with. But this is what the hell I'm trying to get out. Every time we just use the video games and all that to like keep you focused, keep your energy going, and this is what really matters. This is what the prize is. Like the reward is like outputting your own formula when you can't get it out because you got a bunch of idiots that shouldn't be around here, and they're over there trying to plagiarize and mimic you or make fun of it. It's ridiculous. You just got to get them out. They weren't even invited, is what I'm trying to tell them. They're not part of the history. History's like your real border, like your real AI. And they say, hey, who the hell is this guy? He doesn't match. He's not the face, the color, the shape, and get the hell out. Yeah, so that's what real life is like. And the people that got they must have gotten molested by these idiots, like mentally really bad, because it's illegal what's going on. It's illegal that these girls hide that they're like even breeding with them and in secret or getting money from some. I remember that in the late '90s there was a documentary on what was it called? The girls that would sell their eggs to arrows for like 50 grand. It supposedly was like one of the lowest prices I heard. It might be like in the last one I heard was like in the maybe $300,000 range. They were selling their DNA to like breed babies over there. It's just insane. Maybe the girls sold their, when they say sold their soul, it means that they actually went with them and bred with them unknowingly, that they get trapped there. They don't let them out. I saw some of the other specials where they're not allowed out of the, and it's all monitored by Muslims, and they all got machine guns and the prince and all that. They don't let any girl out of the harem or something. They have bodyguards to them, like 15 bodyguards, and they travel like in a caravan, or what do you call that? Yeah, it's a caravan where they're traveling in groups. It's insane, dude. Imagine living in a piece of crap world like that. So that's what's becoming, because they keep letting people that are too damn like primitive. What do you call them? Like extinct. Now there's another word I use, but I guess I'm like, my mind is, again, it's like preventing me from saying it, and due to like bad censorship and what are they called? The mods. What do they call the moderators? Yeah, those moderators. I forget the word sometimes, but I don't even know why. Do they even know that moderation is a mathematical value? Oh man, some people really suck at math, and the law is you can't breed them. You can't let them breed until if they don't learn it. That means that the other law is they really don't care our genetics, or else they could have done it. Like Adam couldn't understand. It means he really wasn't a human after all. That's why the devil ends up being the beast in the Bible. You have to read further and further to get the point. The point, why they say the point, doesn't the last word on the Bible end with a dot? That's what it is. You have to read all the way to the last dot. Like connect the dots, constellations. Damn. What genius race did I come from, man? Damn. Let me see if that's the title I wrote for this one.